Hear the whistle, soft and low, echoes from the years ago. Rust and rivets, fire and toil, men who turn the wheels with oil. Steam and iron, smoke and flame, echoes whisper old time names. Turn the wheels, let history run. Dreams of steel and setting sun. Engines built with hands so strong, kept the world in step along. Threshers hummed and hammers rang, songs of labor engines sang. Steam and iron, smoke and flame, echoes whisper old time names. Turn the wheels, let history run. Dreams of steel and setting sun. Faded photos, faces proud, men who tamed a hissing shroud. Calloused fingers, grease and grime, carve their mark in dust and time. Still they chuff and still they roll, kept alive by hearts and cold. Crankshafts turn and flywheels spin, keeping time like they did then. Still they chuff and still they roll, kept alive by hearts and cold. Crankshafts turn and flywheels spin, keeping time like they did then. Steam and iron, smoke and flame, echoes whisper old time names. Turn the wheels, let history run. Dreams of steel and setting